My dear children, very pleasant morning to all of you. Welcome to online classes of Standard 5th subject MSc and chapter number 7 character. So today just we are doing revision of chapter number 7 and 8. First I was sending a PDF note of 8th chapter, but your fair books is with me. So after this in next lecture I will send a PDF, so by that time you get your notebook and you can write it. Okay, so just today we'll do the revision of 7th and 8th both together. So what is there in this chapter? What is the moral in this chapter character? That one man was there selling a balloon. He was selling a balloon of different color to get the attention of people, child, so that all child go there and take the balloon. But what happened? One boy was there. He released different balloon and all the children were shouting with joy. So in this, one boy is there. He told about black balloon. The boy was thinking that if the person is rich or intelligent, then only he can be successful in life. But do you think, student, it is true? No, we that time also studied that by color or by money we cannot become successful person. We just have enthusiasm, we just have a need of success, a greed of it. That if a person is too much white, that it not that he is definitely successful in future. No, no one success is not measured by color or money. It is by our mind. It is by our determination. All the things is need is not money and color. Just we want greed of success. If you all want to become something in life, you have greed that yes, I want to become this only. Suppose doctor or anything, right? You have greed that I want to become. How much difficulties came in my path, but I want to become only. So this is the moral of the story, that an intelligent or a rich person always will not become successful. You should have love, trust, honesty. Your character should be must that you get. So it is not that what about the things. It is all matter in our life is the value we got. If we are from rich family or any other family, if we do not get the right value, then we will not become successful. Instead of it, we will become robber or anything, right? So the all thing matter is value, your character, how you are. You have to become first human, good human being. Then only you will become successful. You have to love all the people, not keeping prejudice in to any person. You have to work hard for your success. You should be honest, you should be loyal, and firstly, you should have faith in God that yes, I am here. So, what? God is with us. So, you should have faith in God first. Then, charity. Charity is also most important in this. So, this all make our character. So, through this only, by this all value, we become successful. If we are good, we are rich, but not believing in God, it is good? No. Firstly, for the first most important thing, that is God, faith in God. You are here by whom? God. So you should pray, thank you God that today I got this day, beautiful day, like that you have to pray. Some person is not getting day only, some do not see the day also, they are blind. So how we are too lucky that we can see. So just we have to thank God daily. This is a good habit. This is not in chapter, but this is a very good habit. Then you should speak always truth. Honesty should be there. You should not do the illegal thing. Means like you are doing some that not telling truth. Honest you are not. Like that you should be honest, hard working for your success. All these things we need. So we also can reach great height. By this all things we can reach great height. So the moral of the story is not money or color matter, but the matter is our values of life. Okay. Now 8th chapter. Now in 8th, what is that? Determination. That Wilma Rudolph was an exceptional American track and field athlete. She was very not good in health in her childhood days, but she was affected by polio and various diseases. But one time what happened, she cannot even walk also. But her determination means she want to win the athlete. She want to do something different. But then she practiced daily. Doctor told no. Then also she done practice daily. Right? So the determination, dedication should be there to work. Suppose you have to do something good or you want to become anything. Example taking. Right? First, you have to become doctor. What? Your determination should be there that at any cost I will become that. You have to practice daily. This one day. You don't have to work one day for 8 hours or 9 hours. First start. Begin first. Is the most important thing is beginning. When you begin, then after daily do something. Then like this Wilma also done. First she is not able to walk. Daily by practicing she won. Like this you have to daily practice for your determination. And that is determination. The moral of the story is that you should determine yourself to what you want. Right? That not sit down by the failures or anything. Failures will also come. But the most important thing is that not to give up. Okay. So we have done the revision of both, and in next lecture, in next Thursday, I will send a PDF note of this 7th and 8th unit. Thank you, children.